Hi traders, this is Prakash Gaba here. Nifty view for 15th July 2021. Expiry, weekly expiry. Well. The market opened in the green and climbed up to close, just tested our 15,861 zone and closed around it, below it. That's all. When I look at the entire chart structure here, you'll observe a few things here. The first is it had made an attempt to cross here. This is the first attempt. Second attempt was made in this zone here. Tried to go up. It didn't go up. Now this is not an attempt. Why is this not an attempt? Because it opened in the higher regions and came down. This is not an attempt to cross, but it was a selling day. This was an attempt to cross. 3 attempts were made for crossing this 15,861 zone. That's a strong resistance. Today also it tried to go there and it got stuck here. When 3 attempts fail, the 4th attempt becomes powerful. Now when I look at it from a slightly longer term perspective, what do I see? I see 15,000, let me mark it out here. This is 15,650 is an all important support here. This is an up slanting triangle. I would miss this, skip it out completely. Important support is here somewhere, 15,800. Now if it dips tomorrow until 15,800, that's viable. Yes, that's viable. If it dips in the early morning session, not in the late evening. If it opens slower, that's a viable dip and can go up. Now if it crosses this zone here, 15, the high, what has been 15,878 crosses here, then it can go higher from here. This would be a 4th attempt. That could have some power. Let us look at Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank, when I look at the structure, the first attempt here didn't cross, failed. Second attempt failed. This is the 3rd attempt. Now if it attempts again, perhaps it will succeed. Now when I look at the chart structure here, what do I see? I see 2 things. 35,000 is very all important support to deal with. As long as that holds, uptrend is still intact. That's all. In the short term, 35,350 is a strong support zone. If you get a dip in the early morning section until 35,350, it's viable. And once it crosses 35,750, it can go higher to maybe 36,000. So far, we must accept that upside is still on, but it's not crossing this all important barriers. That's a problem. So it needs to gather some space before, or breather, or you may call it, we call it time-wise correction and things like that, before it decides to go. So it's anybody's game out here. Could be a volatile day, being a weekly expiry, doesn't matter. How the market is going to unfold, we don't know, we don't care. What we know is where to buy, where to sell. Simple as that. If you can do that, you can make money. Just remember, trading is only about making money. It's not about being right. It's not about being wrong. It's only about making money. Trade what you see, not what you think. Trade the markets, and yes, not the forecast. Happy trading, and yes, enjoy the ride.